Well, it is Friday, and I just got back in the office representing a client this morning at a detention hearing in Salem County, New Jersey. Remember that in New Jersey, as I've stated in previous articles and in videos, they have a cashless bail system. It is a pretrial detention system in which both the state and the defense make arguments regarding whether or not a person should be held in custody prior to trial or prior to disposition of the matter, whether that be through a trial or a disposition of a negotiated plea, or perhaps an open plea before the court. With that said, it did go very well in Salem County, and our client was released, and he was released after that hearing, and now we look forward to representing him in a very, very serious case there in Salem County, but I believe that the state is going to have a really hard time with the case, and I feel very good about it. With that said, it is Friday, and we do know that the majority of our calls come in on the weekends, especially in the summer. It is extremely hot outside, and we know people will be out and about, headed into the Garden State to go down the shore, or perhaps go to the mall to cool off. I'm not sure if movie theaters are open or not, but it's another cool place to cool off there in New Jersey. And because of that, there is an increased police presence, both on the state and local highways. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in New Jersey or DUI in Pennsylvania, remember, do not refuse that chemical test from the officer. Be polite, be respectful, but do not consent to the search of your vehicle or your person. That will never help your criminal case, but refusing that chemical test is something that you should never do. With that said, if you are stopped, again, be respectful, be polite, but the best time to hire an attorney is right after that arrest, especially if bail is going to be an issue. Pennsylvania, unlike New Jersey, still has a cash bail system, and depending on where you are, it can be a real fight with the DA's office. I just represented a client in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania yesterday in Carbon County, and we got to the point in the matter where bail was being argued, and the DA's office there put up a really good fight in terms of our client receiving a high bail from the court. We were, however, able to have the court set a very reasonable bail for our client, and he is out in custody. So if you have questions about this, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website GamboneLaw.com. A tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available on GamboneLaw.com, and we made that website with our clients and their families in mind. It's updated very regularly with our weekly blogs and my e-updates. You can sign up for the e-update there by giving your email address, and every Friday we send that out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. And we know, obviously, the weekend everyone is busy, but don't assume that you know your legal rights. If you have a question, call an attorney. Remember, our law firm is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great weekend. It is very hot. Please don't ever leave a child in your car, even for a few minutes, just to go run to a store. It is never acceptable. It is a very, very dangerous thing to do, and the same goes for animals as well. But please don't ever do that. No one's ever too busy to do that. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Always have a great weekend. Please enjoy it responsibly. Don't drink and drive. And I will talk to you all very soon.